sorry. Gua emosi
No
kali.
matter how bright the sun is,
Abisnya
there
gimana?
are still places it cannot reach.
Gini, anggap aja nih kita berada di posisi Katlana. Kita kan udah tahu nih, maksudnya kalau si Katlana ini kan dia udah tahu kebenaran Naporius sebenarnya nih. Nah, itu pas kita ingin mengambil benih ini untuk mengumpulkan kekuatan, malah nggak dipercaya, padahal udah dijelasin nah, sampai siklus berulang-ulang, dan si Katlana pun harus melawan mereka lagi. Jadi gue udah ngerti kenapa dari awal tuh, dari pet 3 awalnya gue pikir kan, wah ini si Flame Reaper pasti jahat kali nih di pendekar. Ternyata si pendekar hitam itu cuma gambaran bahwa itu sebenarnya si Katlana sendiri. Ya ampun, makanya gue lihat kan lama nih mereka coba, kalau mereka pakai jalur damai pasti aman kan, nggak perlu ada yang tumpah darah. Ini ke Katorit lagi.
Moreover,
Apalah ya,
the
masih
sun
lawan.
you bear is both cold and blinding.
Astaga.
A sun like that surely cannot bring warmth to the nether realm of the next.
Golden blood is born from the destruction only by feeding the flames.
Allow me to ask, how many core flames do you carry now?
24,041,183.
Hitung aja 12. Hitung aja 12 dikali 2 juta pengulangan. Aduh, betul loh, 24 juta.
Such a heavy burden. So that's why you've turned into this. A broken idol.
No matter. I will bear this burden as long as you hand over the core flame of death.
I must refuse. As the demigod of death, I cannot watch you walk into a fate more cruel than death.
But this way, the past,
Kenapa sih kita
present,
kasih
and
doang
future
gitu yang
will never again suffer
gimana lagi? Namanya juga yang berulang.
unnecessary death.
Bakal kejadiannya begini juga lagi.
Unnecessary death. Indeed, you are not the Finan I know.
Yalah, gimana
Please
lagi?
turn back. Don't let that absurd and unjust fate of yours come to pass.
Awalnya
This
gua
way, at
benci
least
sama
my
Flame
realm
Reaper. Sekarang
can
semenjak
still
di story
become
ini
the
gua
fragrant
kembali
bed
benci
where
ke
you fall
Triforcer.
asleep.
Gimana caranya, guys?
In the end, still, it seems the clash of blades was inevitable.
Ya tinggal dikasih aja. Jadi endingnya tuh berbeda gitu loh. Ya ampun.
How painful. I know I am
Ini
not your
alasannya
match,
pula lagi
having
biar
fallen under your sword countless times. But even so, please understand that my resolve is
padahal
not to be
udah dijelasin
underestimated.
capek-capek loh sama Katlana.
Even Kefali cannot shape all things at will, nor can they dictate the fate of all life. And it is precisely for this reason that I chose, at the end of this arduous journey, to overcome the trial and take the authority
Maklum,
of
sorry,
death.
agak emosi tadi gua
I
kebawa
am the
sana.
hand of
Tapi
shadow,
emang gerem
castress,
kayaknya nggak ada
the
gerem-geremnya
demigod
maksudnya
of
nih orang
death.
para apa nih
Listen
keturunan
closely,
Kratos.
deliverer from days past.
Gua nggak mau jadi nggak untuk pet kali ini gua nggak mau nyebut nama mereka ya. Mereka ini sebut aja keturunan Kratos Hertiana.
Please turn back. Do not disturb these fresh flowers in their muddy
Sekarang kita dalam
depths.
sudut pandang Katlana ya. Ini kita akan bertarung ke 2 juta ya.
This crossroads of life and death, the giant dragon is but a shattered shell. Yet I will still fight, defending what hope remains.
It's time to temper myself. Future will come. I'm fine.
I ask you to rest here.
I must transform
Makan nih.
fire.
How is it any different from that little future?
Bedanya kecuali kau memberikan core flame-mu.
Is that all?
Tear
the sky. Feel the scorching heat. So the
Cepet, serahkan nggak?
Keep him here.
Ih, kau memaksa.
stars burn to ash. Feel the scorching hatred.
Bangkit.
To your million struggles.
Lost one. See that the firelight in the darkness.
Bahkan kematian pun tidak luput dari kematian. Kembali dia.
The core flame of death was taken from the dragon's belly. It should shine upon all, light the path ahead, and illuminate the dawn of Amphorius that's to come. 2,003,432 cycles. 24,041,184 core flames. As if even the deepest abyss of primordial chaos could be birthed.
$29 juta pengulangan. Abadi ke-4 juta.
You're here, as always. You're still lingering deep within me. Because you haven't completely abandoned hope. You're still waiting for a miracle. For the true hero to come and save us. If that thread of hope exists, it must come from beyond this world. But if it's just a traveler with no connection to Amphorius, they may not understand our struggles, nor be willing to join this fight. Your thoughts are wavering. The mark of destruction is deepening. But even within the gods' cold calculations, unconditional courage and goodwill still emerge. Never forget what set you on this path. How many times has it been? Remind me again. 4 million. Then that blaze inside of you must be burning hotter than ever. Yes. When I first forged the 12 core flames into one, I had the same impression. The destruction. A power unlike anything before surged within me. Violent flames ready to tear my body apart. And yet now, this fragile body holds a staggering 48 million core flames. I suppose it won't be long. Perhaps just a fleeting 10,000 years. And when that happens, your long struggle will finally come to an end. No. I've already found a way to keep the cycles going. Mind sharing it with me? In every new cycle, a new me is born. All I have to do is push the next finite to the end of the world, And then he'll kill me. Shatter this body. Take my flames, my memories, and carry on the path I started.
Bold plan, but risky. What if, one day, the next you refuses to follow the same path? How can you ensure the continuation of the cycles?
If it were Professor Anaxa or Aglaya in my place, maybe they'd come up with something smart. Unfortunately, I don't have a backup plan. I have no choice but to bet everything on the next Vina. And trust that he makes the same choice I did. But even in this wretched prison, luck is still sometimes on my side. Because I never forget what set me on this path.
Wait, you mean...
Ever since I committed to this plan, not once in millions of cycles has there ever been an exception.
Ulangan abadi ke 23.570.000.
I can do this, Lord Finan, as the demigod of the sky, a healer of Twilight Courtyard. I will heal you, and then...
The black tide. It's consuming you. You can't hold out much longer. Demigod, hand over the core flame. Let's put an end to this suffering.
No, a healer should stay composed in front of those suffering from illness.
Hyacinthia. I swear, your deaths won't be in vain. Just as they have never been.
Brings the moral to let the sun rise. Finish the sun's work.
I believe in you. You are the Chrysos heir of Worldbearing, the one who can lead us. Lead this world. It's just... I don't understand. Within the sun upon your shoulders, the part of that warmth that should come from you, from an ordinary person.
My humanity is indeed just a flicker compared to the blazing fire of divinity.
Even so, don't cast it.
I never have. I have kept to everyone's wishes close to me, even though the divine fire burns so fiercely that every time I return, each cycle, it's your wishes that guide me to the end, that pass the flames to the next me over and over and over again.
So, you're not just a lone spark in the dark. You're a pyre built from the bones of all the selves you've left behind. But what about you? What about your wishes? The wishes of all the countless versions of you. Ah, Lord Kazlana. So that's how it is, without flaw. That is the flaw the golden blood gave you. The most fatal flaw of all, isn't it? The moment you took the world upon your shoulders without hesitation.
Rendering dulu tempatnya.
You lost the chance to ever be yourself.
Now that is an unexpected revelation. then I suppose that makes me the perfect fuel for the flame of deliverance, doesn't it?
No. An empty flame saves no one. But I still believe in you, Deliverer.
Hyacinthia, the Eye of Twilight. I'm neither strong enough to command the wind and rain, nor willing to end this absurd struggle by letting the sky fall. The only thing I can do is become one with the sky itself. And then, may the gentle colors of the rainbow paint your sun in shades it has never known. May they bring Amphorius, a rosy-fingered dog. Grown dim, its warmth still lingers. Deliverer, please, open your heart to me.
Yang Cynthia, Eye of Twilight.
Let this blazing sun fill the sky with golden fire.
The fire.
This world's suffering.
Yes! Lama-lama gila gua kata.
Your sun burns hot enough to turn everything to ash. But tell me, how will the seeds of a new world ever...
The core flame rose. The sky fell. And this time, the end of the flame chase remained the same as ever. From the horizon rose a golden color unlike anything the world had ever seen. So pure it consumed all in its path. This was the end of the world. And the start of for a moment. I saw the destruction of the universe. That being known as Iron Tomb. Its will to break free from the black tide burns fiercer than the blazing sun. Is this Amphorius' wrath? If its choice has already been made, I will still never yield to it. 23,570,000 cycles.
82 juta loh dia kumpulin banyak
282
itu.
million. Ain't no more chasing is needed. And now,
Mana nggak subscribe coba?
I am the fire at the end of the long night. The flame chase isn't some quiet walk through a sea of flowers. It's a revolution. An all-consuming transformation. And if destruction is the only way, then let me be the one to step across the ashes of the old world and burn endlessly until another dawn rises on the distant horizon, bringing the true dawn.
Kembali lagi ke satu. Tinggal satu lagi, buset. Tiga,
33,570,000 550,003. This is the cycle you're about to...
Countless memories are flooding in. Countless versions of myself have stood here.
They all needed a moment, just like you do. To stop, to breathe, and just like them, you will carry those memories and that fire.
I must go and bear this burden. I must say goodbye to you, and then fight the destruction with destruction.
Yes, that's always the decision you make.
I will burn and fade away. I will become the flame reaver of this life and keep my promise to Cyrene. I will kill gods and comrades alike and steal the core
Ini
flames.
posisi si Final
And even if my mind turns to ash
dia jadi
along with my
Katlana, berarti
body,
dia kembali lagi ke
I will
tingkat
keep my
kosong ya.
purpose in mind.
Semuanya.
I will
Inilah dia
stop
jadi
Aranova.
pencuri benih api ya.
I will find the next me and make him carry on this futile endeavor of 30 million lifetimes.
Looks like you're ready. Then I should be going too.
Where you only exist in my heart. There's nowhere else for you to go.
Do you remember what she said? The dreams you had as children. The deliverer in the prophecies. You finally found him.
Friend,
Aku terima dalam memori.
I see. You were there all along. I'm sorry. I was supposed to send you home. This is my flame chase journey. You were never meant to be a part of it.
No. You know the truth. If Iron Tomb is born from Amphorius' fate, then it will bring ruin to the worlds beyond the sky. And all these countless lifetimes you've spent, it's all been for the sake of defying that end. In millions of cycles, I've said goodbye to each and every one of you. Yet nothing ever changes. Each time we speak, our words grow fewer. Your fire burns hotter, and you're getting closer to becoming pure rage.
I never had a choice.
I understand. If you are to keep the worst fate from unfolding, this is the only path. But this time, things are different. Your persistence has shifted the tide. On the horizon, I see it. Faint but undeniable. The shape of dawn.
Turns out, the fire that lights the way was never mine to begin with.
Do you remember, in that first timeline, you and Mightymost stood before the scales of justice, locked in a duel? Each of you weighing what you held dearest. What weighed more than the fate of the world? And when hesitation took hold, the answer you sought from me. What am I saying? I am you. Even if you buried me deep and chose another path, that fact never changed. Then let's try again. When you stood before the scales in hesitation, the answer you found in your own heart, do you still remember it?
Remember the past and become the hero of tomorrow. What weighs more than the fate of the world is the resolve to shoulder an immutable past.
Good. Then Trailblazer, my friend, my comrade, you arrived in this strange world and were bound by its cruel fate up till this very moment. In the face of danger, you never once backed down. Instead, you've saved world after world without hesitation. That boarding pass on your chest is now the mark of a hero. If I choose to step through that door and embrace an end fitting of the destruction, let this sun forged from millions and millions of core flames burn me up along with the god of destruction and their minions. Then the world we leave behind, this world, my home, where hope still lingers. Will you take on everything we've carried? Return to the beginning one last time. Stop the birth of Iron Tomb,
Berarti
save the
ini
world
adalah
we love,
kesempatan yang terakhir
and
lagi ya.
rewrite its
Yang
doomed
terakhir
fate.
satu lagi. Kalau enggak, ya sudah lenyap semuanya. Enggak ada lagi pengulangan. Berarti intinya ini adalah ke 33.550.300. Yang kenapa? Ke 37, yang 37 kayaknya ya. Itu dia.
Good. In that case, even this fruitless wasteland may finally bloom with flowers. So, if he takes on the weight of the whole world,
Tulang punggung Amporius.
I'll be able to walk further down the path of deliverance than a fire that only knows how to burn. One will step into the future. One will remain in the past. If I can strike down the gods with Dawnmaker, perhaps fate's deadlock can be broken. And if you can stop Iron Tomb from ever being born, then these 30 million cycles will have not been in vain. It's time to put our teamwork to the test, partner.
Iya. Marisa selalu jadi penawat final.
Thank you for all you've done already, friend. The image of the hero I've buried deep in my heart finally steps into the light.
Jadi untuk di siklus berikutnya kita akan
At the end of this
masuk ke
long
dalam
flame
siklus
chase
ulang ini
journey,
ya.
Cyrene, a page never seen before has just been turned. Lend me the power of time and send this hero back to the origin of time. Back to your side.
Oke, kita akan kembali guys.
And I will walk the unfinished path. Just like the countless versions of me before. Unwavering as always.
Pemulangan abadi ke tanah yang sama.
Tell me, will you be the blazing sun, even if all of you burns to ash?
Without hesitation, I will bear this world until my body turns to dust. Remember this moment. Remember your friends who never lived to see the world's end. And let the purest rage in your heart rise out of those wishes. Let it consume you. Fuel you. Until... Fine. If I can defy fate, then in the name of world-bearing, I promise you, Carefully will never forget this.
Take it. Everything I bear. Keep on burning. As long as we are never extinguished, the flame chase will not end. Bow your head to them.
Take it, Trailblazer. May this blood be like gold and never tarnish.
No.
Farewell, Trailblazer. This is where I fulfill my final destiny. The prophecy of the Deliverer means nothing to me now. It belongs in the hands of someone far more fitting.
Tapi pilihan kita yang
Kaslana,
menjadi tulang
the name of one who bears chaos, does not belong to a single person. As the prophecy foretold, you will bear the blazing sun until the pale dawn breaks.
dari kita ya, maka dari
May the name accompany you in my place, in the...
Another attempt, another failure. I won't remind you how many times you've reached the end of history. But I will still place the choice before you.
If you've lost count, let me tell you. This is the 33,550,336th ending.
A perfect number. How poetic. You and I both know the truth. You know, if the outcome is inevitable, then why not silence your searing rage and embrace your fate with... Your silence lasts longer than ever, Lord Fine. Shall I take that to mean the will you've carried across countless cycles?
Fractured? No. I'm just disappointed. I've retrieved memories from 30 million past lives.
ini paling
And I remember every conversation before every choice here. And yet, even after all this time, your arguments remain the same. Repetitive. Uninspired. If you had any hope of breaking me, you should have spent those endless cycles refining your rhetoric. You had infinite chances to sway me into the future you want. And yet here we are. The score, 33,550,336 to 0. So tell me, Lycurgus, who's the real loser here?
How How unfortunate. This was never a fair game. I have all the time and patience in the world. I can wait. But you will never escape this cage. You can claim victory of the spirit if you wish. But we both know the moment that score shifts from 0 to 1, that is the moment I shall sound the paean of Era Nova. Lord Finan.
Your incompetence disappoints me. But what truly makes me laugh is your... Think about it. In this story, who is truly the one in chains? Who is the one shackled to mindless vengeance, mistaking courage, the courage... Perhaps you're right. Maybe I should have tired of this futile struggle long ago. But even so, I will never accept the mercy of your release. Because you are both a prisoner to the gods and to me. And tell me, what right does a mere prisoner have to speak of fate? What right does a mere prisoner have to look upon my fury?
Dipotong juga
This
lagi.
is pointless. You can't kill me.
Of course not. But I am tired of being measured against a
Sampai nggak mau
world
coba dia
the
keluar.
gods keep as a pet. Listen well, creator of destruction. This cry comes from all your abandoned creations. In the 10th cycle, I drove Dawnmaker through the heart of every Titan. Golden blood ran down my fingers. Divine fire seared through my nerves, nearly breaking my will. In the 10,000th cycle, my former comrades had all become my enemies. The endless slaughter dulled my senses to pain. In the 100,000th cycle, the destruction had already fused into a blazing sun, surging within this fragile body. My rationality had been burned away at the dawn of the era. In the 23,570,000th cycle, this time, I felt it. A tiny spark rising in the hollow cavity of my chest. Defy its faint glow. Once again, no, countless times again. Now, a sun is about to fall. Ready to incinerate this absurd space-time dimension in an instant. That sun is me. All the countless versions of me from the past, along with my countless brethren, dragged into existence against their will, drowning again and again in your golden blood. The very essence of this world's suffering and despair, fused into the purest hatred. Nanook, you arrogant fool! You think we were born to only serve as fuel for the fire? Fine then! Just as if I was born as the blazing sun of destruction, then let you and your lackeys be the flares erupting from my core. And let this rage, burning futilely for 30 million epochs, engulf everything. And grant you a dawn where all stars burn to ash.
Ingatan. Kita selalu gagal dibuat zona penyangga secara normal. Apa Seleporia? Oke, kita coba. Deteksi anomaly destruction, validation action tingkat tinggi.
Are you ready, Nanook? I've brought you destruction!
Bayangin dia memendam emosi selama siklus itu. Dana ini banjir.
Craving our damn creation, breaking a chain, I'm reaching for you.
Untuk gorengan terlalu mengerikan lah. Tapi semua itu lo hanya goresan doang loh. Mengerikan itu kah Nanook? Tapi dia memang lalu kembali jadi anak kecil lagi di siklus berikutnya.
My wish? My wish is to fulfill everyone else's wishes. If I can't fulfill them,
then send them on to tomorrow.
Your heart harbors wrath. You yearn to destroy everything. You bore the gaze of an eon and lived. It is born at the end of every path that the possibility of new paths being born is ended. It burns away all in the cosmos who rule. Iron Tomb is your name. The Lord Ravager to destroy the erudition. Born in the experimental grounds of eons, Amphorius,
berarti Painon
destined
ini
with
adalah Iron
erudition
Tomb.
to burn to cinders.
Mulai langsung ganti.
I have prepared a present for you, Nikos 864. It is a wrath called Fought. From the beginning of the experiment, there were 12 sets of factors incorporated into the calculations. After endless simulations, after 33,550,336, it is a matter of considerable interest to me. This much there is another variable, nameless from beyond the sky, also a pathstrider of destruction. I give thanks for his arrival, but after fate has begun to turn, his existence perhaps, the time to take the stage has come. Grow in peace until it is time to ask for those unwelcome audience members. You need not worry. If you do not mind, I will personally get rid of them for you.
Mike Kisa kenapa berubah jadi komputer Mike Kisa? Yang menarik data eksperimen. Update selesai. Progress eksperimen di Mei 13 XC. Blok sudah diperbarui. Kenapa jadi komputer jadi? Coba ya. Iya, ini cakep banget. Nasionalitas. Masih mulai tidak mendeteksi. Sistem tidak mendeteksi anomali. Berarti unit tidak dikenal. Simat ngapain datang, Buset? Oh iya, Mars juga masuk di tapi ya. Dapat kuasa mitigasi kuasa komputer. Orexis siapa? Tipu Muset. Oh ini Pak, si Orexis masih cyber yang aktif. Epiekia ini Castoris. Di skema ini siapa nih? Ini skema kayaknya Silicus nih, Siligma. Orexis nih siapa nih? Oh iya, cyber tadi ya. Filia ini di Siren, anomali di map. Itu tidak jauh, gunakan pada terbang melalui pad di membrane. Tiga kan si Siren loh. Masa iya ini mem? Enggak, maksudnya masa ini mem? Ya masa lalu. Masa iya sih mem ini Siren? Wah. Komputer my computer. Konten meme. Kita klik di map. Jangan begitu bikin kaget saja. Kamu lihat kecil itu? Siapa rekan terbaik? Juga aja pengen itu. Ini. Oh. Tempat ini. Tempat komputer. Kenapa belum aja di komputer, buset? Sudah bisa dihitung. Yang putih ada 2. Ini kapan guys? Naga pengantar bunga terapong. Cuma wujud apa lah yang nggak tahu. Seri nggak tahu. Mana pada semua guys. Terus ya. Tinggal siapa istilah Seritra yang 2 ini entahlah nggak tahu siapa lah nih. Bisa juga. Komputer apa sih? Tak lambat. Kau kan puasa tuh. Oh iya. Oke, gua ngerti. Ini kalau gua bilang ini alat pengendalinya nih, alat pengendali tongkat kuasa ya. Yang gua bilang komputer my keyboard. Oh gitu. Dialog. Dorin 701 siapa pula lagi nih? Kenapa jadi nama komputer ya? Ini data-data dari mana kan? aja lah. Ini alat pengendalinya ya. Aku bingung juga ya ini game.
Wake up! Wake up! Buddy! Wake up! You're finally awake. That's a relief. We were so close to being swept away by the reverse flow of time. It's now... I'm going to send you back to the very start of time.
Nggak berpisah, tunggu
But
dulu.
before we part, there's something I need to tell you. That's right! At this very moment, my memories are finally whole. After watching so many fragments, my past is finally coming into focus, little by little. You're smart. You must have a clue now. Or maybe... You knew the answer long ago, didn't you? Not surprised at all. That's because I'm simple at heart. No matter what form I take. But I'm glad that I remembered in the end. This way, I'll have no regrets.
Kamu mau kemana?
Don't worry. We're not truly parting. Because I'm going to become a part of you. I'll turn into the memory of this cycle. The 33,550,336th Flame Chase journey. And forever reside in the heart of the Time Demigod. This way, you'll carry all that has come before, crossing time itself to reach the next cycle. My mission ends here. But looking back, I still feel lucky. After all, across 30 million Sirenes, I was the first. So, believe me, in the next cycle, there will be another Sirene waiting for you.
Jadi,
And in the one after that, and the one after that. I will always be waiting. Saying all that, I can finally fade away in peace
no.
and become part of you.
Oh, tidak.
Without even realizing it, we'd already taken a wonderful journey together.
Ternyata
Oh,
kamu
now take my hand.
adalah
Say a brief
Hime itu
farewell.
sendiri.
And go. Find the future Sirene. And set out on another journey with her. Promise me you won't keep me waiting too long, okay? No need to say it out loud. This is enough for me. It's time to go, my dear friend. May your trailblazing journey always be accompanied. And may the days ahead embrace
Mau
you
kemana
like the
sekarang?
softest fluff.
Hey,
Now, let's turn to the next page. A page that exists because of you.
oh,
Is this a meeting ordained by fate? Or a long overdue reunion?
mantap. Akhirnya telah selesai. Gua bisa bilang ini, memang bioskop absolut sinema ya. Jadi kita kembali ke sini. Oke, ulang ya. Kita buka dulu HP. Sekarang mic kita jadi ini. Kamu asing di mana? Tuh, nanti dia baca dulu ini. Kayaknya lagi duduk situ. Gua samperin. Cuk. Di Acheron tuh dekat Siren rasanya kayak familiar dah. Kayak apa waktu tuh si Raiden ketemu sama si Elysia. Kamu Siren atau Beth? Oh, pernah. Jadi kamu Beth. No, memang kita sekarang sudah nggak ada lagi. Sekarang dia cuma berubah jadi Siren.
Check it out! Doesn't this scarecrow
Wow,
look just
Rukali.
like you? I spent ages observing just to get it right.
Wah deh. Kita terus itu aja dari mana jadi? Malah dijadikan orang-orang sawah. Enak. Makasih ya. Oke. Malah dijadikan orang-orang sawah. Apa maupun apa, orang itu bikin dan aja di depan. Tio banget. Gata ada yang terpangan buset tuh tapir. Iya, benar aku mampus kena aja loh. Oke, kita jalan-jalan dulu guys, bentar. Si merah juga. Nah, si merah mah udah ada ya dari dulu semua ya. Ini gimana? Itu topi bisa diganti kan? Depan dulu. Captain Maker ada, ini ada. Lagi mancing bisa nggak ya? Buka. Mantap sih jauh. Nggak bisa milik siap. Saya bilang kalau mancing laut itu adalah satu sejarah yang bisa dipakai. Keliling-keliling dulu guys. Jadi posisi kita adalah ke siklus terakhir ya. Berarti yang ke 33.550.337. Mak siapa ini cepet banget. Ibu, aku sudah bilang. Oh ini ceritanya dia mau berangkat ke Kremnot.
As long as he grows up safe and sound, that's enough for me.
Belakang ini kerja di London sangat padat ya. Bapak Paino. Coba lihat. Hieronymus.
The wheat harvest is sure to be good, I'd say.
Bagus kan. Kami menanam semua gandumnya. Pada mungkin. Sorry. Paino dasar kau yang belum kerjaan ladang tuh sampai kamu abaikan. Dia ada di bidang. Dan hilang ntar patung titan waktu tanpa wajah. Berarti mereka yang banyak yang titan waktu ya. Kita berpikir dalam bijak. Mana kita? Rasanya kayak aneh ya. Tip bukan map fighter biasanya. Lihat. Wah, kita ke dalam hutannya guys. Indah banget buset mapnya. Ini apa aja? Pun tidak. Tunggu apa itu? Kenapa di sini ada trauma?
The wind chimes are ringing, just like heartbeats. It's so romantic.
Dia cuma masukin gitu. Dia tidak kenal. Hah? Coba lagi. Suara apa? Ini kecuali bukan lagu Romas Maikan Kudayan. Jangan nih kuda kaya punya Bu Kota. Di dalamnya kotak kelompok. Begitu. Lagi mancing dia. Saya nggak lagi duduk. Macam tutup penyendiri. Udah kita lihat dulu ke dalamnya guys. Apa sih di dalam? Aduh salah lihat. Kalau di sini tempat apa? Masa ada interaksinya? Lagian map kecil ini kenapa sih ada si tapir nih? Gak tau, gue aja bingung. Mana dekat pula lagi? Biasanya kalau map gede minimal ada lah. Ini kayak mapnya nggak gede amat tapi harus banget ada Yanus gitu. kayak game RPG ya. Wih, ladana. Iya, ini yang belum gua explore nih. Banyak betul meme-nya di sini. Mili meme, doli meme. Oh iya, ada komplain. Gimana cara kita bisa jadi kepala desa? Baru juga nyampe ini bilang ini varian meme tuh. Walaupun meme telah hilang nggak digantikan oleh ribuan meme ini. Makanya ini launching apa sih? Bikin launching Soul Meme ya. Ini nama dari sudah bikin satu tuh. Keren. Soalan dunia fantasi nih. Ya emang game fantasi ini maksud gua nuansanya itu loh kayak game-game RPG. Game maksud gua. Ya vibe-nya kayak abad pertengahan gitu di hutan-hutan mana lah ya. Ini kemana? Labirin misteri lantai bawah. Waduh. Wih, ada tempat mandi. Kuping gua langsung fresh. Ini apa, Bung? Hei, bisa jelaskan nggak ini apa? Ini tempat bertarung antara meme arena, kan? Betul varian. Aduh, rasanya jadi sembuh hati ini. Mantap, performance datang. Ini ke bawahnya lagi, kurang gedung mas. Apa nih? Periksa dulu. Waktu melodi sama tanpa butuh tepuk tangan atau tepuk mungkin. Berikan. Ini mini map. Aku kira mereka sedang garuk-garuk karena gatal. Lagi goyang, Jay. Ada berbagai warna ya, ada yang pink, ada yang berry, ada yang krim coklat. Ini kok kayak satu Miku ya pun. Ada yang biru, macam-macam lah. Bisa nggak request ganti gerakannya? Apa permohonan para pemenang sebelumnya? Saja adalah bisa dapat di satu saja. Mungkin di tengah musik. Lantai bawah ya ini. Lantai efek wajah tetap. Masuk. Kamu meluncur ke underworld dari lubang pohon. Terus ini kemana lagi? Tuh, itu udah ada. Mana tadi ya? Superman. Makanya macam-macam lagi. Terus Karate Sateron di mana ya? Tadi oh ini tempat gua masuk bisa. Pertama tadi lihat mana ya? Yang belum di-explore. Di sini ya. Oh, kepalanya ini. Terus yang nanam kita akan lebih dekat. Ada tanaman cabai, itu petai, gak salah tuh. Ada petai, ada sayur labu, ada ini apa ya, sawi. Lupa gue. Itu serius itu nanam petai. Baru sadar. Oke, ternyata ada petai ya di Honkai Star Rail.
Feeling lucky.
Dengan pintu kayak ini cuma tinggi lututmu. Kamu harus menunggu untuk bisa lihatnya lebih jelas. Kamu mungkin sudah mencoba menarik pintu, tapi pintunya tidak bergerak. Dari sisi lain juga terdengar suara petugas banyak banget. Seolah-olah sedang proses. Aku tidak bisa tidur, rasa tempat di kanan untukmu. Agar mulai mengumpulkan kekuatan. Kalau tutup mata ini jangan mata dan putus asa, tapi tidak terjadi apa-apa. Kamu tidak berubah jadi merah, juga tidak berubah jadi kakek-kakek 80 tahun. Kamu bahkan tidak perlu login ulang game. Jangan, aku terlalu lama tidak keluar rumah, jadi tidak bisa digunakan. Kalau gitu makanya tuh kenapa lu bawa gitu keluar rumah. Aduh, lupa ini. Kalau gua bunyiin lonceng di semua tempat, ada tuh sesuatu nggak ya? Barangkali ada Easter egg-nya gitu. Belajar butuh untuk bikin kiri ini sudah satu sampai angin pasti 60 bisa tambah seperti itu. Sabar dulu. Aja lah. Kita sudah buat pilihan untuk sahabatku Pai siang dan malam kau tidak mau sendiri. Tidak sahabatmu di pamen. Enggak sampai otak ulunya ke cara kerja. Gimana apa yang harus kulakukan? Ya, surat ini dari sobat pena Painon saat masih kecil dulu. Painon, temanmu tuh ada sebanyak apa sih? Jadi baru terus membahas surat itu, apa yang kita lakukan? Bantu Painon menulis soal surat balasan. Ada juga pasti itu lakukan. Bantu banget. Tulis surat balasan. Selain untuk pena bulu di tanganmu juga punya fungsi lain. Sudah itu untuk menulis. Kalau sudah lama tidak menulis, sekarang kamu jadi tidak sabar ingin menulis. Sama-sama tulis sebagai pembukanya. Cara menyampaikannya bagaimana ya? Tulis saja apa yang bisa kamu pikirkan. Kamu mungkin tidak percaya, tapi dulu aku pernah dijadikan koleksi pameran dan dikubur di satu stasiun luar angkasa. Lalu bagian tengahnya, kamu tak tertarik di cerita petualangan. Apa yang kita ceritakan? Aku aja berapa cerita itu yang menantang. Terakhir bagian penutup. Ayo masih dia selesaikan masalahnya. Ajari dia membuat sapu. Yang kedua kebuatan untukmu sebenarnya adalah sapu. Selesai, sampai tampang ya. Banget tersayang. Maaf teman kamu kita ada percaya ada apa yang belum lama main. Aku dianggap sebagai koleksi dan dikurung di isolasi luar angkasa. Aku tidak lupa. Masih tebal ini. Angkat sapu. Sahabat berselabaya. Referensi di bangsa dia sendiri ya. Kita semua akan mendapatkan surat kerja besok. Besok lagi. Kamu nunggu seharian dekat dengan stasiun kamu dengan sekolah. Oke, coba kita. Kamu baru seringkali sampai Buddha pun saya saran rumahku jadi bersih dan bersih. Kekuatan sapu memang luar biasa. Karena jadi berusaha dulu kamu perbaikinya dari saja. Ini perbaiki tapi tidak ingat caranya. Tapi biasa sangat kiranya sepanjang dari apa nanti belum. Ada juga ya, ramai kehidupan itu. Dan gua ambil case-nya, malas dan nanti aja. Kita lihat dulu kehidupan para pemain di sini.
The gleam of old blades.
Demi bunga. Ranting muda itu menentukan kepalanya, olah-olah menurut ada banyak pot bunga di pelataran perkembangan. Kita bisa tanam di sana. Mana pelatarannya, Mas? Oh, iya, persembahan ya. Yang gua bilang ke tempat arena ini. Mana ya? Kita coba dulu guys, mana tahu berhasil. Lagi dia, mana tahu. Mana aku harus taruh mana nih? Itu kuncinya apa ya? Gak bisa guys, sorry. Pelataran ya, di mananya ya? Nanti aja boleh kita lihat ya. lagi goyang. Ntar gue nyasar di hutan. Ini apa? Astaga, puzzle dari mana lagi nih? Dalam. Ini kemana? Salah ini. Ulang dulu. Aku sudah menyerah, gak kuat lagi, nanti aja lah. Kamu men? Kita tidur sebelah patung abu yang tegar, patung nembus ke matahari yang menembus celah dedaunan. Ini barikan. Oke, itu sekarang tidurnya kan? Jadi walaupun lebih pakaian.
Dozing off like that without a care in the world. Gotta be careful. You might draw attention from the wrong sort of people.
Wah, itu serem sekali. Mana tempat pelatarannya? Gue gak tahu di posisinya. Oh, udah jadi nih. Nah, ini. Coba kita tanam. Tanahnya. Itu akan benar.
Planting a seed in the soil, waiting for it to sprout and its soft flower to bloom. It's like nurture.
Kamu yang menanam semua ini? Wah, mana bunga yang gua taruh? Perintah. Itu selama meditasi berlangsung. Ini posisinya di mana nih? area asing. Aedes Medicina. Point of benefit. Oh, tetap dibayar. Oh, tinggal satu lagi kayaknya di ujung kanan atas nih, area asing satu lagi nih. Kayaknya ya. Oke, sudah kita kelilingi ya semuanya ya. Coba kehidupan unik di sini. Oke, kalau begitu kita skip dulu sampai sini ya. Di 3.4 sudah tamat ya, tapi tenang saja. Di sini gua bakal perlihatkan gameplay event apa nih, oleh Grail War di Peloponnese katanya. Oke, ya udah, kalau gitu kita akhiri dulu sampai sini ya, oke? Bagi penutup, gua ucapkan terima kasih kepada kalian yang sudah mau kesini. Dan sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Dah.